Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another daily forex forecast video for you guys for the date 18th of April 2022. Before I start today's video, if you have not joined my free Telegram group where I share my real life account trades in advance with you guys, so if you have not joined my group, you must join it right now. It's absolutely 100% free. So don't miss this opportunity and you can join this free group where I share my detailed analysis of why I am entering a trade and when will I exit, and so many insights for you guys also, so you can learn, and this will also increase your confidence in your trading and it will help you in your trading too. So you must join it right now. And before I analyze today's pair, I would like you to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And I would also love to hear your comments in the comment section below. So let's start today's video by analyzing what we have for tomorrow. Now today my secret market scanner has identified so many pairs for us. So what I'll do right now, I'll just analyze each pair and we'll find best of the best pairs for us to trade for tomorrow's market. So let's see what we have. The number one is EURUSD sell. Let's see what we have. The previous day bar is red, but I can see there is a support area which is kind of become resistance for now. So let me just check the monthly time frame first. We have a very high support zone here, which is not good for this sell trade. But if I'll find anything in the New York time frame, any pattern or something in the shorter time frame, so in shorter time frame like 1 hour and 15 minute in the New York session, I will definitely trade this pair, because the weekly and daily are still bearish. We only have support area in the monthly time frame, so we'll see how it unfolds in the New York session. So for now I'll just ignore this pair, and if I will take any trade in the New York session, I will update you. The next is USDJPY. Let's see what we have. I can see a resistance area here, and the previous day bar is also not good, so I'll ignore this pair. The next is USDN. USDN, as I have told many times in my previous videos, it is in the highly bullish trend. So once again we are trading at the top of the trend, so I will just ignore this pair because I don't like to trade at the top of the trend or at the bottom of the trend. So I will ignore this pair, but if I find any pattern or something like that in the New York session, I will update you guys if I will take this trade. The next is Aussie USD sell. The overall trend in the Aussie USD is up, so all the moving averages are also pointing towards the upside, so I will not take this trade. It is against my trading rules, so I will ignore this pair too. New Zealand dollar, once again the overall trend is up in the New Zealand dollar too, and the moving averages are also pointing towards the upside, so I will also ignore this pair. USDCAD. USDCAD is trading around the 200 moving averages, so I will also ignore this pair. It is against my system rules, so I will just ignore this pair. Euro yen. Euro yen is also trading around the resistance area, and most likely this could either break towards the upside or Euro yen could reverse from here. So I will also ignore this pair. I have to find best of the best pairs so that we can trade for tomorrow and we have a higher winning percentage. The next is pound yen. Pound yen is in the bullish trend, and as I told you in my previous daily forex forecast video, that pound yen was a buy for the Thursday market, and it went successfully. So once again, if I'll find anything in the New York session, I will update you guys regarding this pair. I will put this pair in my radar for tomorrow's market session. Pound yen is tradable for tomorrow, so I'll just wait for the New York market to see if I get any pattern or something like that. The next is pound CHF. The overall trend in pound CHF is down. All the moving averages are pointing towards the downside, so I will just ignore this trade because it is against my system rules, so I'll just ignore this pair. EURGBP. EURGBP is creating a support zone here, and the previous day bars are also not good. It is a rejection bar, so I will also ignore this pair. Pound New Zealand, the overall trend is down, all the moving averages are down, so I will just ignore this pair because my secret market scanner is saying for a buy, but it is against my system rules, so I will just ignore this pair. Now you can see that after scanning so many pairs, we only have pound yen, and that's the beauty of analyzing each pair and finding best of the best. This increases the chance of our winning percentage, and this is the way to trade. The next is CAD yen. The CAD yen is in the breakout zone, and the overall trend is extremely bullish, so I will also put this pair in my radar, and if I will find anything in the New York session, I will definitely take the trade in the CAD yen if I'll find any pattern or something like that. The next is Aussie Cad. The overall trend in the Aussie Cad is up, so I will just ignore this trade because it is against my system rules. Euro pound sal. Yeah, this one looks good because the overall trend is down and the price has kind of broken this support area, and it has now become the resistance, so I will also put this pair in my radar. We might get an entry in the New York time, so I'll wait. What I'll do, I'll wait for the New York session, and if I'll find any pattern or something like that, I will also take this trade because the support has now become the resistance in the daily time frame, which is something to watch for. So I will also put this pair in my radar. The next is New Zealand CHF. The overall trend is in the overall trend in the New Zealand CHF is up, so once again I will ignore this pair. It is against my trading rules. And the last one is the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD looks great. All the moving averages are pointing towards the downside, and we have this huge daily bar, the huge daily breakout bar, which is again a good sign. So I will also put this pair in my radar, and if I will find anything in the New York session, I will definitely take the trade in the New Zealand CAD too. So we have pound yen, CAD yen, euro pound, and New Zealand CAD as a potential pair to trade for tomorrow. So after finding so many pairs, we only found 4 pairs to trade for tomorrow. This is how we analyze each day, and this increases the chance of the winning percentage. So I hope you like the analysis and it will help you in your trading too. Once again, if you have not joined my free Telegram group, you must join it right now, because once you join it, you will know which trade I am taking and when I am taking, why I am taking, and when I will get out of the trade. So it will be really helpful for you in your trading career. This is absolutely free for you guys, so you must join it right now. And that's it for this video. I hope you like the analysis, so please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to post your feedback in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.